Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 28th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked at the end of this video down in the corner. And also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the euro yen, I still think that this looks like five waves down over here. So I still think this could be a wave A. Definitely looks like five waves down. This still definitely looks like impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up. I still think it looks like a wave B. If it is an A B, then I would actually expect this to go down, probably back down to the lows of wave C. Of wave A for wave C, that is. Now, the problem with this analysis is that the daily time frame is definitely in an uptrend. And when the daily time frame is in an uptrend, you might think that it's going to go down on shorter time frames, but because the higher time frames overrule anything you see on the shorter time frames, this could very easily just keep on going up. So I do think there's a very good likelihood that this analysis on the 1 hour time frame is correct and that we will end up going down for wave C. I'm still recommending to be very, very cautious with your shorts because eventually I think this will end up continuing the uptrend in a big way. I think this is in a big, big uptrend on the very high time frames like the daily, weekly, and monthly. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.